Good evening, my name is Pratik Kalyankar and this is my final project for the Automotive Electronics course. It is an automatic mirror adjustment system using an ultrasonic sensor, and the actuator in this case is a servo motor. As you can see, the ultrasonic sensor here, it consists of a receiver and a transmitter. The transmitter sends out an ultrasonic signal which hits the object and reflects back the ultrasonic pulse and is received by the receiver, which then this sensor then generates a voltage signal which is given as an input to the Arduino board, which is the controller. The controller is programmed and the instruction here given is to rotate the actuator, the servo motor, which will control the mirror by a certain angle corresponding to a distance of the object. The distances and angles set here in this case, in this demo, are for presentation purposes, and in the real world they can be adjusted according to the position of the driver's eye. Now, to explain this system, I've drawn a schematic here. I've chosen one sensor in the demo, but for demonstration, you can have, in the real car, you can have two sensors or three to get an accurate position of the eye. These two sensors will measure the distance, and you can get X, Y, and Z coordinates, and then the sensor signals will be given as an input to the controller. The controller will process it, and based on the code, it will send a signal to the actuator. The actuator will send out will actuate the mirror, which will then adjust the field of view of the mirror. The whole idea is that as the driver adjusts his seating position or his head position, the mirrors will adjust automatically so as to give the driver the best field of view at all times and thus improve the safety of the driving. Now, just to give you a demo here, as I move this object, this actuator will rotate in one direction, and as I move the object back, it will rotate back in the other direction. So now I move it away, it rotates in one sense. I move it back, it rotates in the other sense. Now, based on the form of the mirror, you can actuate the servo motor, and based on the mechanism, you can actuate the servo motor accordingly. Now, as I rotate or as I move the object, you can see the distance changing on the Arduino screen, the distance reducing in this case and increasing, as well as the angle changes. Now, the whole idea, an ultrasonic sensor basically what it does is measures the distance based on the speed of sound. Now, for this particular sensor, it is set such that 73.7 microseconds correspond to 1 inch, since sound travels at 1130 feet per second, and this is divided by 2 to get the actual distance, since the total distance includes both traveling and reflection. So the actual distance will be the distance measured here divided by 2. So using the speed of sound, the distance is measured. So this is an automatic mirror adjustment system using an ultrasonic sensor and a servo motor. Thank you.